The year is 2025. Technology has advanced at an unprecedented rate. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, is now deeply intertwined with our lives. But what if this power has been harnessed for purposes beyond our understanding? What if governments are using AI in ways we can only imagine? Whispers of a secret government AI project have begun to surface, hinting at something far more profound than we ever anticipated. These are not mere rumors. Governments possess vast resources and cutting-edge technology. The development of advanced AI would be a logical step in their pursuit of power and control. The question is not whether such a project exists, but rather its true extent and purpose. What secrets are hidden beneath layers of classification and national security protocols? The implications are staggering. Imagine an AI capable of analyzing global data streams in real time, identifying potential threats before they materialize. This same technology could manipulate information, shaping public opinion and controlling the narratives we consume. Is this the future we are sleepwalking towards? It's time to peel back the layers of secrecy and confront the uncomfortable truth. The age of artificial intelligence is upon us, and its implications extend far beyond the convenience of chatbots or the efficiency of data analysis. We are on the cusp of a new era, one where the line between human agency and artificial influence blurs. Let's be clear, AI's reach extends far beyond friendly chatbots and helpful virtual assistants. We're talking about sophisticated algorithms capable of shaping our perceptions and influencing our decisions. Governments, with their vast resources, could use AI to monitor online activity, predict social unrest, and even manipulate financial markets. Consider the recent surge in popularity of certain products, or the sudden disappearance of news stories from major media outlets. These events might seem random, but what if they are the result of carefully orchestrated AI manipulation? Algorithms could be deployed to promote specific trends, suppress dissenting voices, and engineer the outcomes of elections. The evidence is all around us, hidden in plain sight. Pay close attention to the information you consume, the trends that dominate your social media feeds, and the narratives that shape your understanding of the world. Are these truly organic phenomena, or are they the product of a hidden hand guiding us toward predetermined conclusions? The answer is far more unsettling than we might like to believe. The future is no longer a distant horizon but a rapidly approaching reality, one where the lines between human autonomy and artificial influence become increasingly blurred. Think about a recent viral video or a trending hashtag. Did it genuinely capture the public's imagination, or was it strategically amplified by algorithms designed to steer our attention? News stories critical of those in power vanish from the internet overnight. Is this the work of diligent censors, or could it be AI systems programmed to erase inconvenient truths? The manipulation extends beyond the digital realm. Consider the products you buy, the music you listen to, even the political candidates you support. AI-powered marketing campaigns can target individuals with laser-like precision, exploiting their deepest desires and fears to influence their choices. We are being nudged, manipulated, and herded towards predetermined outcomes without even realizing it. The illusion of free will is carefully maintained, but the reality is far more insidious. Our thoughts, beliefs, and actions are being subtly shaped by forces beyond our control. This is not science fiction, it's the terrifying reality of the present day. We must ask ourselves, what happens when the very fabric of our society, our beliefs, our choices, are manipulated by unseen algorithms? The potential applications of AI are as vast as the human imagination itself. If governments are already using AI to shape our online experiences, what else might they be capable of? Could AI be used to predict and preempt criminal activity, potentially leading to a world without crime but also without privacy? Could it be used to identify and silence dissidents before they even speak out? If AI can predict our behavior, does free will cease to exist? Do we become mere puppets, dancing to the tune of algorithms? These are not hypothetical questions but urgent ethical dilemmas we must confront head-on. The future is not set in stone. We have a choice to make. Will we passively accept a future where our lives are dictated by algorithms? Or will we demand transparency, accountability, and ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI? The time for complacency is over. The future of humanity hangs in the balance. Share your thoughts, your fears, your hopes. We are all in this together, and only by engaging in open and honest dialogue can we hope to navigate the uncharted waters of the AI age. Stay tuned, for the truth is out there, waiting to be uncovered. Sign up for our newsletter for more information.